Hi, welcome to our channel 7. Today we are going to see how to use semi-automatic washing machine. I am going to tell you briefly. See, it's a Samsung washing machine. Also, please watch my some other videos like I put the same video in Tamil language and I show the full overview of the Samsung washing machine video. Please watch the two videos. Please click link in the description and also I put the product link also in the description. Please, it comes with a twin tub washing machine. It was a washer. One side was washer and another side was a dryer. It's a twin tub washing machine. It comes separately. We need to wash it and change the cloth for the drying. See, it does not have an on-off switch. You need to set the time for the washing, and it's a normal wash for normal cloth, delicate for soft cloth, and intensive for bed sheet like this. It's a drainer. It drains the water from the washer through this pipe, and the fourth one is a spinner and dryer. It's drying the cloth according to our use. It washes the cloth and dry the cloth. So these four controls, it comes to four controls, and here you have a knob. If it is in the wash position, it cuts water through the small pipe. It is pipe connected to the tap and it cuts water in the washer. See, when it moves to the spin side, spinner will connect the water. We need to connect the small tube to the tap of the tap. Semi-automatic washing machine. We also can able to I am going to wash bed sheet. I am going to place it in intensive wash. And the placement was in the wash position and I am going to open the tap. If you don't want to open the tap, you can directly add the water to the washing machine because it is semi-automatic washing machine and fully automatic. We can able to add water according to our wish. Now I am going to add soap powder. I am going to wash bed sheet. So I put the control in the intensive wash and add water and I give a small rotate to mix the water well with the powder. I will mix with the water and I am going to add bed sheet. See, I add 4 bed sheets. It handles the bed sheet easily. Washing machine power was very good. I am going to adding water. Once the water was enough, you can able to close the tap and on the machine. I set the machine for 20 minutes. 20 minutes washing. You can see the color of the water will change when time goes. We can have a semi-automatic washing machine. When it's a fully automatic washing machine, the water will take itself and it will use lots of water and waste lots of water. But the semi-automatic washing machine, you can able to add water. If you have fresh water in your home, you can add it separately yourself. Do not tap water. It's an advantage of semi-automatic washing machine. See the water color changes and it colors the water. Washing the cloth and the dirty comes out of the cloth and mixed with the water. The timer automatically moves back and reaches the end position. The intensive wash for bed sheet. We close the dryer and once you wash, we can able to add it to the spinner. If you don't want to add directly to the spinner, you can wash here for 2 to 3 times the water for 5 to 10 minutes and then you can able to add the bed sheet to the dryer depending upon our use. See, lots of dust are collected in the water. See, the knob moves back side. Now only 5 minutes remaining. The main thing, we need to connect water to the washer side and open the tap. For spinner, you got to move the tap to the spinner. See, now the time going to end. Use alarm sound. Once this alarm sound, you can do ready to the no work position. Now it's end. See, 20 minutes over. Now we're going to open the washer water to the drainer. Rotate the drainer and water comes out. That's all. The water reduces here and moves away through the big tube. See the overview of the washing machine. I told you how to connect the pipe and everything in the full view of the washing machine. Please watch the video by clicking in the description and close the drainer. And I go to place in normal and once again I go to add water in the washer because you have lots of dust. If you have minimum dust, you can separate directly put the cloth in the dryer. But you lots of dust, so once again I'm going to wash it with the water. The washer, I'm going to once again wash in the washer. I kept only for 5 minutes. It's already a wash for 20 minutes, so See, now you have lots of dust. If you think no dust in the cloth, you can directly put it into the dryer. Don't need to put one side in the washer. Depends upon our usage. See, the time nears and alarm blinks. Okay, turn off the button and once you need to drain the water. The water moves away from the washer and we need to take the bedsheet and move it to the drainer, to the tub spinner. Once the drainer drains all the water, we can able to move the cloth from the washer to the dryer. See, the water reduces and now I am satisfied with the washer, so I'm going to move the cloth to the dryer. I close the drainer. Now move the tap to the spinner. It's important. Now only water comes to the spinner. The spinner never works until you will close the door. So we need to close the two doors if you want to use spinner. We have to first spin two bed sheets. Spin and dry. Actually, both you can both jobs, spinning and drying. Two bed sheets and place the see. I open the tap and now the water comes from the area. We need to open the knob to the spinner. First we need to place they give a plate. We need to place the plate inside. It's very important. And close the two doors, otherwise it will never work. And start the dryer. If you want to start the dryer, the whole washing machine will shake. Please don't afraid. It shakes and cleans the water. First it dry and moves all the soap water outside. And then adding water and wash the cloth. This is automatically the knob moves backside and stops. During the time of stop, we need to close the tap. I dry it completely and give a 0% water. What cloth with 0% water? That kind of drying was very good. Really superb drying. See, the knob moves to the end point. The spin, you going to move the knob to the spin when you work with the dryer. It's very important. The whole washing machine shakes at the end time also. We need to close the tap at the end time. It shakes the whole machine and ends. This is a semi-automatic washing machine. There's no need to separate place. We can able to move to anywhere. No problem. You can able to add water ourselves. It's the advantage of the semi-automatic washing machine. See, it washes and it dries the cloth. Dry the cloth without any drop of water. See how it dries. Completely dries the cloth. You'll satisfied with the machine. Dries very quickly and strongly. I am going to add another two bedsheet. I think you like the video. If you like the video, please click like button. If you don't like the video, please click unlike button. And also put some other videos like full overview of the washing machine and I put the same video, different video in a Tamil audio. Please watch the videos by clicking in the description. Same process. We need to move the tap to the spinner side and open the tap. First, it will wash the spin and dry the cloths. Placing the plastic plate was very important. I'm going to start the spinner. First it takes the whole machine, don't afraid. And then first it dry the cloth and moves away the soap water first and then it add the water to the spinner and see how it spins. It rotates and the water will flow on all the parts of the cloth. It opens fully, machine stops. See, the spinner spins and spread water through all the areas of the cloth and once the machine is going to stop, the time nears, it will dry the cloth. You need to close the tab. That is the main thing. And that is all the same procedure. I think you like the video. If you have any problem in the using, please put in the comment section. I will answer in the 6 to 7 hours. Whatever problem, please put in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video. Please watch the full video if you like. Thank you from 7. If you like the video, please hit like button. If you want more video, please subscribe button. Thank you from 7.